Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Nano Banana. In order to do so, first off, head to gemini.google.com and you can use Nano Banana inside Gemini. And I'll just show you here some of the things that I have done with Nano Banana already, and it really is quite fantastic. So if you just scroll up here, then first off, we have our lab technician here in her lab, and we uploaded that. Then the first thing we wanted to do is I wanted to change her computer screen so that it had a pod of orcas on it, because she's actually a marine biologist. So we have our pod of orcas. We added the prompt there on her computer should be footage of a pod of orcas aerial view. Perfect. That's what we wanted. Then we wanted to change her glasses to normal glasses. We also did that, and the results there are fantastic. Also wanted to remove the beakers. It felt a bit too noisy with the beakers. We're able to do that as well. Really quite nice. Now I'll show you a logo here that we're updating. So got our original logo and added the prompt, I'd like to improve this image, refine visuals, slick professional, and we got this result. Really quite nice. However, I want the cartoon robot to look a bit more advanced and have a futuristic font. So it got the robot right, but the font is pretty much exactly the same. So let's try to fix that. In this one, got a little bit closer. I quite like the result there. This is the one that I landed on. I like it's bold, it sticks out, it's easy to read. This one is really quite nice, and the logo is really quite fantastic as well. So that gives you an idea of some of what you can do with Nano Banana. Now let's take a look at this. So we have this image here. So the first thing I wanted to do was I wanted to close the door in the background and remove the sink. So we got the sink out, but the door's still open. So that's okay. Now I put in door in background is closed, and boom, close the door. Perfect. So then I wanted to add a desk with a radio and a chair. Got the result, but not quite what I was looking for. So we tried again, and basically just to fast forward here, what I ended up with was this image here. And what I decided in constructing the scene was that I wanted to have a small kitchen on the side, and I wanted the desk with the speaker to be on the right side of the image because it just fits better with the setup of the scene. And that's what it did. And the results are really quite nice. I'm very thrilled with that. So that's what we got there. Then the next thing we did was we entered in just a Word document. So I've got a Word document here, just some information that we're offering, and I wanted this to look a bit snappier. So first test just showed up with this. Not too bad, but it's not really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something more eye-popping than that. So then we got this, and this is really quite nice. Still not quite what I was looking for, but I still like it. It's good enough for Cyndi Lauper, and so we went with this one here, and that one's quite nice there. So the next thing we did was we tested out image generation. So I just put in here a lab with a time travel portal, cinematic photorealistic, and this is the result that we got. Really quite cool. That being said, I didn't really want the whole dinosaurs and futuristic thing here in the middle. Kind of cool, but not what I'm looking for. So we added fixed portal so that it's swirling vortex of energy. And this is the result we got. And that is really cool. That is much closer to what I'm looking for there. So we have our lab with our time travel portal, and that looks really cool. So that gives you an idea of what you can do with Nano Banana in Gemini as well. So all you have to do is just come down here to the bottom and you can type in whatever you want. So if you have an image, so let's say a cute bunny owl, something kind of simple. I might have needed to put an image of a cute bunny owl, but sometimes it figures it out on its own. So we'll just let that think for a moment. Okay, and just a few moments later, we got what we're looking for, a cute looking little bunny owl. Why not, right? So that just gives you an idea of what it's capable as far as image generation goes, and it really is quite powerful. So let me show you here how we're going to add a file. So if we click on the plus sign here, so let's go ahead and we're going to take this image here and let's say we want to add a TV in corner next to window. Okay, let's just try that. So I kind of want it over here, but I'm thinking that it might get confused. We'll see how this works out. Give it just a moment. Okay, so in this case, did kind of what I was expecting it to. It put the TV right around here, and I was actually hoping for it over his left shoulder. Let's try that. Let's go ahead and do add TV behind left shoulder. Now we might get both TVs in there. Probably what I should do is bring back the original image and start from scratch, but we'll just do this for demonstration purposes. So we'll just give that a moment. Okay. And in this case, it just put the TV right here next to his arm. But this just gives you an idea of what you can do with Nano Banana. I'm not going to go too much further than this just because it might take some time to really dial it in. But this is also a good opportunity to show you some of the challenges that you might encounter. So what what I might do is I might do something like flip the image or remove the couch so that I could put the TV there, something like that. But you can really play around with it. So if I wanted to do that, then I could say remove couch and add a flat screen TV. In fact, why not? Let's do it. Let's try it out. Remove sofa and add screen TV. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, so this is the result here. Still got the TV here, which is just because I didn't start from the original image. So a lot of times you want to do that. If you have the original image, you try things out, it's not working. Go back to the original image. And in this case, the result is pretty cool. We have our flat screen TV hanging on the wall, removed the sofa. So that gives you an idea of everything that you can accomplish with Nano Banana. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested, check out the description and you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Check out our Discord. If you head over there, then you will find that we have some services that we offer, AI generated videos, music videos, or advertisements. Anything that you might be interested in, we can do with AI animation, and we can create music for you as well. Starter package starts at $200 for a video up to 5 minutes. We also would love to see you on our Discord channel. We post a variety of articles, interesting videos about AI animation, AI music, different things of that sort, and also music. If we create music using Suno or any of the other music generators that are out there, we post that there. And we also post our video projects as well. So we're trying to build a community here. If you are into AI animation and you want to join a small and upcoming community, we'd love to have you. finally, if you're interested in a new online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you look in the description, look at the link tree, you will find that you can click on the link there and you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.